Hello students, welcome to Btech360. As you all know that KCET results have come, which means it's very important for students who are in Karnataka who want to do engineering or BTech or BE or any of those things to understand how do you use your KCET rank to get into a college and branch of your choice. We're doing it branch wise, so we've done CSC, we've done civil engineering, we're doing electronics and electrical engineering, we'll do mechanical everything also as we move along. But right now what I'm going to focus on electrical, electronics or anything to do with that, because we group them together so it is easier for you to make those decisions, right? And what we're doing here is listing out the top 30 colleges based on the preference by the students last year. What we're doing is listing out the top 30 colleges based on the preference by students last year. And what we're going to do is, I must also thank Illinois Institute of Technology, which is actually a university, campus that's being set up in Mumbai, which is also offering some of these courses, right, on the STEM side, I think CSE, data science and all. It's one of the largest universities that you have in USA, and they're setting up campus in India and given by the permission by UGC and Government of India also. So it's UGC approved qualification is what they're giving. So I just want to thank them who partnered with us to actually create this entire presentation. So thank you so much, Illinois Institute. Now, the other thing that is very important for you is that we're also doing an online counseling session for students who can actually talk to our counselors. You need to register. There is a link at the comment section below. Register on the link and attend any of the webinars that we have, which is to do with KCET only. From there, you can actually ask any question to our counselors because a lot of students will be joining there. So we'll also create multiple slots for that if needed. But the important thing for us is to ensure that you actually speak to an expert and a counselor so that you can actually take the best decision. There, we're also actually partnering with a few universities to actually give you free application forms and also there are a lot of perks that are coming along with that. So do register for the session as we move along, right? Now, about KCET examination. KCET, there are about 330,000 students who took the exam, applied this year, which is similar to what we had last year, almost similar, right? But the number of students who applied is 309,000 this year against 312,000 last year. So we actually have a 3,000 or 1% dip kind of a thing. The girls are about 186,000, which is 62%, right? The students who've taken biology, which means they compete with the allied sciences and life sciences, is about 231,000, right? So that makes you understand that allied and life sciences are quite in competition. Then you can see many things also. Physics is students taken the examination is 309,014. So 309,014 students took the physics examination. Chemistry was about 307,000 and math was 304,000. So for the PCM, which is engineering, you actually have 3 lakh plus number of students who are competing for the engineering courses. That's what you should look at. Whereas for allied sciences, it's 231,000 is the competition that you have. Now, once you understand that, what we're talking of is now ECE and EEE. These are the two things that we're clubbing together and putting it together. So ECE and EEE is what I'm listing out. And we're talking of 6 data points we have here. 1 is the college name, 2 is the branch, 3 is the general merit cutoff, remember. Then OBC highest cutoff and SC highest cutoff and ST highest cutoff for the college and the branch as one choice. So we are actually talking of this combination and what is the highest cutoff that we have is what we're looking at here, right? And we removed all the categories and reservations and all so that you can actually have a clear path. What we're trying to help you here is to help you understand how the students made choices in terms of the demand for college and branch choices that happened last year, because many things go up and down. So it's very important for you to know what happened last year so that you can actually make those kind of choices also. Right. Now let's start. We're talking of EEE and ECE as the cutoffs of 2025 data. Remember this 2025. This year, my opinion is it will also go further down in the sense that in my opinion, a lot of CSE and IT and AI branches will start getting added into some of these colleges. So to that extent, a lot of students will move there. And to that extent, these ranks, if it is 1100, it might be 1200 this year also. Because I do expect a lot of students to move up into those branches as you move along, right? Now, based on this, RV College of Engineering, B Electronics and Communication Engineering, 1100 was the general merit closing rank last year. OBC was 4622, SC was 14356, ST was 12785. RVCE again, B Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, 1507 was the highest closing rank in the general merit, 5938 for OBC, 26,800 for SC and 20,511 for ST. RVCE, B Electronics and Electrical and Electronics, 2783, 11,023 was for OBC, 14,486 for SC and 18,457 for ST. Then PES University comes in, BTech Electronics and Communication at 3765. And I'm not going to read out everything, I'm just do the general merit so that the idea is to inform you of how students made the choices so you can actually look at the wisdom of the all the students of how they made the choices last year. Rama Institute of Technology, Electronics, BE Electronics and Communication 480. BMS College of Engineering, BE Electronics and Communication 4794. BES Institute of Technology, Bangalore South Campus, BE Electronics and Communication 7486. Rama Institute of Technology, Bangalore, BE Electronics and Communication 7708. SJCE Mysore, BTech Electronics and Communication 7731. Right. Moving further, PS University, Bangalore is different from PS College South Campus. BTech Electrical and Electronics Engineering 8400. University Visvesvaraya College of Engineering, Bangalore, BE Electronics and Communication 9544. We're listing out the top 30 colleges, remember. So you'll actually have, because of the combinations, you might actually have 55-60 choices, right? BMS College of Engineering, Bangalore, BE Electrical and Electronics Engineering 10,576. Dharan Sagar College of Engineering, BE ECE at 10,755. Rama Institute of Technology, BE EEE is 10,791. NIA Mysuru, BE ECE is 12,751. Bangalore Institute of Technology, BE ECE is 13,549. Siddhaganga Institute of Technology, BE ECE is 14,310. RV Institute of Technology and Management, Bengaluru is BE ECE is 14,565. Moving further, KLE Institute of Technology, Hubli, ECE is 15,143. Rama Institute of Technology, BE Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering is 15,248. BMS Institute of Technology Management, Bangalore, BTech ECE is 15,498. SJCE Mysuru, BTech EEE is 17,845. BNM Institute of Technology, Bangalore, BE ECE is 19,049. Bangalore Institute of Technology, BE Electronics Engineering, VLSI Design and Technology, 19,177. And by the way, just look at this whole thing also, you'll understand how the category is also moving. They normally move in sync. That's the reason why I'm not reading it out. You can take a screenshot of this if you want, right? And then Bangalore Institute of Technology, BE Electronic and VLSI Design is 19,177. KLE Technology University, Hubli, BE Electronics Engineering, VLSI Design and Technology, 19,680. RMS Institute of Technology, Bangalore, BE ECE is 19,792. Dharan Sagar College of Engineering, Bangalore, BE Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering is 20,446. Then you have KLS Gokte Institute of Technology, Belgavi, BTech ECE is 21,865. New Horizon College of Engineering, Bangalore, BE ECE is 22,469. University Visvesvaraya College of Engineering, Bangalore, BE Electrical and Electronics is 22,495. SDM College of Engineering and Technology, Dharwad, BE ECE is 23,757. Siddhaganga Institute of Technology, Tumkur, BE EEE is 24,741. Bangalore Institute of Technology, Bangalore, BE Electronics and Telecommunication is 24,762. SJSC Mysuru, BTech Electronics and Instrumentation is 25,883. Dharan Sagar College of Engineering, Bangalore, BE Electricals, EEE is 26,153. BMS Institute of Technology Management, BTech EEE is 26,176. Now, if you just look at it, actually it's moving in tandem. This is about 27,000. This is about around 40,000 plus or minus 5%. This is about 80,000 plus or minus, but for this one odd number that's come up here. And this is about 1 lakh, again 90,000 and all. This is an odd number that's come up. But otherwise, most data is moving in sync with each other is what you notice. Then you actually have the next bunch, CMR Institute of Technology, Bengaluru, BTech ECE is 27,115. Dharan Sagar Academy of Technology and Management, Bangalore, BE ECE is 27,528. Ambedkar Institute of Technology, Bangalore, BE ECE is 27,544. KLE Dr. MS Sheshagiri College of Engineering and Technology, Belgaum, BE ECE is 27,834. Sri M. Visvesvaraya Institute of Technology, Bangalore, BE ECE is 28,117. Siddhaganga Institute of Technology, Tumkur, BE Electronics and Telecommunications is 28,797. Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering, Mysore, BE ECE is 29,642. JSS Academy of Technical Education, Bangalore, BE Electronics and ECE is 30,202. Bangalore Institute of Technology, Bangalore, BE Electronics EEE is 30,331. Then you have Reva University, BTech Electronics and Communication ECE is 30,626. Rama Institute of Technology, Bangalore, BE Medical Electronics Engineering is 31,013. SJB Institute of Technology, BE Electronics and Communication ECE is 30,150. The NIE Mysore, BE EEE is 33,809. KLE Technology University, Hubli, BE Electrical and EEE is 33,902. Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology, BTech ECE, VLSI Design and Technology, 34,323. Siddhaganga Institute of Technology, Tumkur, BE Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering is 35,003. And Dharan Sagar University, Bangalore, BTech ECE is 35,195. So in the top 30 colleges, anything to do with electrical, electronics, instrumentation and telecommunication, that's ending at 35,195 as far as general merit category is concerned. In my opinion, because of the addition of seats, this might go down to 33,000 is my hope. 39,000 is what my hope is, because it's going to have a rank deflation, and to that extent, because more seats are coming at the top end, and to that extent students move that side, and that's what will happen. If you want more questions, if you have any more questions, as I told you, there's a counseling session that we're going to have on Monday or Tuesday. Please do register for the counseling session, and ask your questions, so that this is the time for you to ask those questions so that you can make the right choice. And from that perspective, do speak to experts, either us or anyone else. Do speak to the experts, because it will help you clarify your thoughts. I hope this helps you. Thank you so much. Namaste.